Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have is a Starbucks Barista Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out through the group head, and that was because the hose to the water pump was completely disconnected, and we put it back together, reinforced the connections to make sure it doesn't happen again, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with the steamer, really powerful, working extremely well. And let's just cool it down so we can make it espresso. Now that it's cooled down, we can do the shot. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly so we can see a good shot coming out of this machine. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too fine, so we're gonna barely see it dripping, just like that. But it should still have some crema in there. And there you go. Unfortunately, the grind was way too fine for this machine. It's kind of hard to get it, especially since this portafilter is the self-pressure regulated one, so you definitely need to use a slightly less coarser grinder, but the machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.